Thanks for joining us today at Island Ford Superstore, located on Norcross Road in Duncan, BC, off the Trans-Canada Highway. We're in the Cowichan Valley on Vancouver Island. Today we're looking at a 2013 Fusion SE in sterling grey, and the interior is black cloth with red stitching. Seating for 5, 4-door sedan. It has a 1.6-liter 4-cylinder engine. It's an EcoBoost, and it's also a front-wheel drive. It's really easy to get into this vehicle. Just talk to our sales team. They'd be happy to take you out on a test drive. And should you require financing, our finance team is friendly and knowledgeable. Storage and speaker in the door, as well as power locks, windows, and mirrors. The driver's seat is powered with lumbar. Your lighting controls are located here, and the trunk release is here. The steering wheel can tilt and telescope, and on the face of it is your dash controls, cruise control, sync voice activated system with volume. When we start up the vehicle, you'll see any important messages, as well as a menu that'll appear. And I'm just going to turn down the fan for you here. And so we can go into that menu. Start at the top, trip 1, trip 2, fuel economy, settings, information, and then settings, and they all have sub-menus. In the center is your air vents as well. You've got your hazard lights located in the center, and then you've got your display screen. You've got media choices of AM, FM, Sirius radio, as well as CD, and you can go into your media for the different options there as well. So you've got your volume and tuner. There's your CD player down below. There's the fan. You've got your AC, max AC, as well as front and rear defrost. Down below in the cubby you have a 12-volt, an automatic select shifter, your electronic parking brake, a couple of cup holders, and your armrest opens up, and inside you've got a little bin there. You've also got auxiliary line in, as well as USB and more storage. Off to the side is your glove compartment. Up above, a manually dimming rear view mirror. You also have your lighting controls, sunglass holder, and off to the side you have a grab handle for your passenger. 18-inch wheels, body colored door handle, keyless entry keypad, driver's side capless, easy fuel gas filler. The back trunk has a little bit of a spoiler there, and you also have the ability to open up that trunk from inside, or you can double click your fob. It power releases it for you, making it easier to get in, and then you just put your hand underneath and lift right up. Inside it's nice and roomy and carpeted, and then when you're ready to close everything up, there's a handle off to the left hand side. Just pull down and your trunk is now securely closed. You can then lock everything up and walk away, or jump in and head out on your latest adventure. Storage and speaker in the door, as well as power windows. You have seating for 3 in the back with a 60-40 split. Very easily bring down the seat simply by pulling the clip at the back, and it comes right down. You now have access to the back trunk area. There's anchors behind the seat to be able to tether baby seats, and then easily flip the seats back up in the upright position. In the center there's an armrest with a couple of cup holders, carpeted mats on the floor, slim pockets on the back of the front seat. There's air vents and a 12-volt outlet, and up above, hooks, handles, and lighting. Privacy glass in the back windows, heated and powered side view mirrors, halogen headlights, fog lights, and so many more reasons to visit us at Island Ford Superstore, BC's #1 rated Ford dealer.